Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
A daily lesson log records the essential parts of every class session. It captures objectives, materials, procedures, assessment, and brief reflections for continuous improvement. Begin by writing a clear objective that students can meet within one class period. Note materials and timing, including a 15-minute guided practice segment and a 10-minute closing assessment. Describe procedures step by step, so a substitute could teach the same lesson successfully. Finish with a short reflection on outcomes and adjustments for future lessons. Start the log by writing one measurable objective students will achieve during the class. List materials and supplies with quantities where needed, such as 20 worksheets and 2 markers per group. Divide the lesson into timed segments, for example, a 10-minute review, 15 minutes guided practice, and a 20-minute independent task. Describe assessment methods and record student performance outcomes immediately after class. End the entry with a reflection that notes what to change and how to reteach concepts. Collect daily logs in one organized file for each class to monitor progress. Review entries weekly to identify patterns in student understanding and adjust pacing accordingly. Compare objective mastery rates and use aggregated data to plan small group interventions when necessary. Share logs with colleagues for collaborative feedback and to align curriculum across sections. Use reflections to update future lesson plans and note any materials or timing changes required for improvement.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.